Hey guys, got an update. I got the drive line in. I had to take the brake caliper and the brake disc off. And I had all this loose over here, which you all knew that. But that's what else I had to do. I didn't have to take the brake disc off or the brake caliper to get the old one off, but to get the new one in, I guess the new one ain't as loose as the old one was, which I got right here. See, pretty loose. Yep, pretty loose. That new one wasn't that loose. That new one's tight, man. God, that's some tight gears. I went ahead and since it's supposed to be semi-sealed, or the dust cover over it, I went ahead and put some grease in there. Can't hurt nothing. I mean, I don't know if it will or not, but it didn't seem logical to put it back together dry, because that thing was dry as a chip. You can still see it. Dry as a chip. Yep. But anyway, I did have to take this tire off over here to give me access into here a little bit better. Probably didn't have to, but it did. But you seen everything I had to do. Take the bed off, take the cover off, take that cover off, take the exhaust off. Probably didn't need to take the exhaust off, but it made it so much easier to change out that drive line. I just went ahead and took it off. I know, and I greased all my bushings. I know that one leaked out a little bit, but it got it. Yeah. Yeah, I greased all these back ones. I want to definitely grease the front ones. Every grease fitting on it, I find I'm greasing it. So this thing's going to last me a lot longer. This thing's, I think it's only got like 17 or 1800 miles on it. That drive line should not have failed that soon, I don't think. But that boot right there was missing. As you can see, something walled it off or something. And I guess it wouldn't take too much longer after that to, it still drove in four-wheel drive, front wheels pulling it and everything. But I don't like going in the woods with a half-broke machine. Don't like getting stranded nowhere. But anyway, guys, I'm going to put this thing back together, and I'll give you all, I'll holler at you later when I get it together and everything, and take it out and try it out. All right, thanks, and God bless.